Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of class UKG and the topic name is Good Manners. G-O-O-D good, M-A-N-N-E-R-S, Good Manners. In this topic, I will teach you that how should we behave with anyone, how we should talk with anyone in our day-to-day life. So, my dear students, now I would like to teach you one by one all the good manners. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Now, I would like to show you the picture. Yes. In this picture, you can see this girl, she is giving pen to this boy. And how this boy is speaking? This boy is telling, please give me pen for some time. This boy is using please word. So, this is a good manner. To ask something, we should use please word. Use please to politely ask for something. We use please to encourage or more strongly to say someone to something. We say please to make a polite request. In this picture, you can see this boy politely is requesting to this girl that please give me pen for some time. So, my dear students, to use please word, this is a good manner. Now, the next is thank you. T-H-A-N-K, thank, Y-O-U, thank you. Now, I would like to show you the picture. Yes, you can see in this picture, my dear students, this girl is giving gift to this boy and this boy is telling thank you. So, my dear students, when someone does something for you or give you something, that time you should say thank you. Just now I have explained you that this girl is giving a gift to this boy and this boy is telling thank you. So, this is a good manner. Whenever anybody give you something, so you should say thank you. Now, this is sorry. This is also good manner. Sorry spelling is S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. See in this picture, this boy, he has got hurt when he was playing. So, but this boy, he has accepted the mistake. He has realized that due to me, he has got the hurt. So, what he has told? This boy has told sorry, because due to him, this boy has got the hurt. So, my dear students, whenever anybody has got the hurt, so you should accept, you should realize your mistake and you should say sorry. This is a good manner. Now, I would like to explain you another good manner. This is excuse me. E-X-C-U-S-E, excuse, M-E, me, excuse me. So, see, my dear students, this is the picture. What are you looking in this picture? In this picture, you can see that this girl, she is disturbing to this boy. So before disturbing, what she is saying? She is using the word excuse me. Understood, my dear students? So before disturb to anyone, we should use excuse me. This is a good manner. We should not disturb to anyone directly. Before disturb to anyone, we should use excuse me word. So this is a good manner. Now the next is good morning. G-O-O-D, good. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, good morning. You can see in this picture. Yes, this is also good manner. Whenever you just get up early morning, and whenever you get up, you should say good morning to everyone, whoever in your house and any relative, your neighbor, in your school, that your friends, everyone. In the morning time, what you say? You say good morning. So this is a good manner. Now the next is G-O-O-D, good. N-I-G-H-T, night. This is also good manner. Now you can see in this picture, this girl, she is going to sleep, and before going to sleep, what she has told to everyone? She has told that good night. So my dear students, before going to bed, we should say good night to everyone, and then we should go to sleep. Now the next is S-P-E-A-K, speak. S-O-F-T-L-Y, softly. Speak softly. Yes, in this picture you can see she is a mother and she is her daughter. So what this mother is teaching to this girl? She is teaching that we should speak softly. We should not speak loudly. So my dear students, speak softly is a good manner. In our day-to-day life, we always try to speak softly. Now the next is L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. T-O-2-E-L-T-E-R-S, elders. Listen to elders. Now you can see in this picture how that nicely these all children are listening to her elder sister. She is telling, and all children are listening very carefully that whatever her elder sister is telling. So my dear students, we should listen to our elders. This is good manner. Now the next is F-O-L-L-O-W, follow. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. R-U-L-E-S, rules. Follow traffic rules. Yes, you can see in this picture. Yes, this man is traffic police, and this boy and this girl both are following the traffic rules. This is a good manner. Whenever you are going anywhere, either school or any other place, so to cross the road, you should follow traffic rules. That is safe for anyone. So my dear students, this is a good manner. We should follow it in our day-to-day life. Now the next is stand. S-T-A-N-D, stand. N-I-N-N-A-Q-U-E-U-E, stand in a queue. So my dear students, you can see in this picture how nicely these all children are standing in a queue. They are waiting for their turn. One by one they are going and they are taking ticket to go inside. So my dear students, we should not push to anyone. Whenever rush is there, we should follow that. We should stand in a queue and we should wait for our turn. So my dear students, this is a good manner. We should follow all the good manners in our day-to-day life. Thank you.